Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the MKR developer channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to animate the items of the recycler view. For this I'm using this application that we have created in the previous video to show you how to use the recycler view. But I've duplicated the items twice to have more items here in the application to show you the animation. And as you see, when I'm scrolling up and down, it will be displayed so simple, and we want to set the animation on it to make it better. We will cover 4 different types of animations in this video. Let's start with sliding in. Okay, for this in the resources package I'm going to right click. We need a directory and Android resource file. So you can create first a directory and call it anim, and then this, or right click and click the Android resource file, and here choose the animation and then write the name, slide in, and by pressing OK, the folder, the directory here will be created automatically. Yeah, as you see, the directory and the resource file are created at the same time. Okay, here consider this is the item and we want to display it from half outside of the window. Here it will come into the middle of the screen, and with a transparency, a fade in the color until the fully visible. So for the fade, first I'm opening the tag and using the alpha, and then from alpha, and it can be 0, and then to alpha 1. The next thing will be the duration. And I think 500 milliseconds will be okay. The next, the translate from X delta, so minus 100% to X delta 0%, and again the duration. The duration can be the same. Okay, this is the first type of the animation. Now let's go to set it on the recycler view. For this, I'm going to go to the layout, to the list item, the layout of this single item of the recycler view. I have a card view here, and I need an ID for this card view. So I'm going to set an ID and simply card view. That's okay. Then I'm going to the recycler adapter, and here in the view holder class I'm going to initialize it, value card view, with the type of card view, equals to item view dot find view by ID and R dot id dot card view. And then here in the unbind view holder, the end of it is here. I'm going to write holder dot card view dot start animation, then animation utils dot load animation. Then I need the context and the address of the resource animation file. First folder dot card view dot context, and then r dot anim dot sliding, and that's it. Let's check it on the emulator. Okay, now the items are coming by the animation. Okay, let's go to the second type of animation. Here I'm going to click on this sliding and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and I will rename it to fall down. Okay, here I'm going to keep alpha unchanged, but I will change the translate a bit. So instead of the from X delta, I'm going to use the from Y delta, and just here, and it can be minus 200 to Y delta, and the duration remains the same. And in the recycler adapter, instead of this, I'm going to use the fall down. Let's check it on the emulator. Items are falling down. Okay, let's create the other one. Here again, we need another resource file, and I'm going to call it rotate underscore in. Okay, again the alpha remains the same, and instead of the translate, I'm going to use the rotate. From degrees minus 10, then 2 degrees 0, %, and again we need the duration. Okay, let's go to the recycler adapter and change this to rotate in, and let's check it on the emulator. you see this nice animation. And the last one, scale up. Again, the alpha remains the same, but I'm going to use the scale tag. Okay, from y scale 0 and from x scale 0 to x scale 1 and to y scale 1, and here 50%, and here x again 50%, and the duration the same, 500. And I'm going to close the tag, and in the recycler adapter scale up. Let's check it on the emulator. And this is the animation. Okay, as you see, when I'm closing the application and opening the application, there is no animation here, but when we are excluding, the animation will be appear. If you want to have the animation at the beginning as well, when you are opening the application, you have to do something else, and I will show you here what to do. Here in this animation directory, we need another resource, and I'm going to call it layout animation. Okay, and here instead of this set, I am going to write layout animation. Here between two tags we don't need anything, but here we have to add something. First of all, the animation which will be one of these resources that we have created, for example fall down, and then here we have to add some more items. The delay, which is the delay between the items, by percentage again, 15% is enough, I think. And then the order, it can be normal from top to the bottom, reverse from bottom to the top, and random. I'm going to click the normal here, and then we have to go to the layout, to the activity underscore main, which we have the RecyclerView located, and here layout animation, and then I'm going to select this layout animation. Now let's check it on the emulator. Now when the application is opening, we have the animation, and also whenever we are excluding the items, also we have the animation. As you see, that was the animation. Now two different types of animation are set on this, so let's check it here. And instead of the fall down, I'm going to select the scale up, and here also we have the scale up, so both are the same. Let's check it again. Yeah, you saw the animation. And here, sorry, I have to close the app and open again. Okay, we have the animation, and now by scrolling also we have the animation. And that was everything about the animations on the RecyclerView. If you are satisfied of this content and you want to financially support me, you can find a link down below in the description, and by clicking on the link you can buy me a coffee. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below, and I will be so happy to answer to your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.